What is going on, guys? My name is Lextasy. Welcome back to the channel. So today we got the RS7 here. We're actually on a road trip to take this car to get the performance shop and all the work done to it. So that is what we're doing, and we decided to take the long way there. So that means we're actually at the Dragon here with the RS7 as promised. I know we took the GTR last week, so I really want to see what this thing can do. It is so freaking packed out here. I mean, you got everything, tons of bikes. I mean, hundreds of bikes in the background. You even got a brand new C8 out here. There's a wide body Scat Pack Challenger. There's so much sick cars out here. Hopefully it's not as packed as it can get to, but a little worried about driving this car, but we're about to have so much fun, guys. And of course, next video will be us dropping it off at the performance shop. But today, it's all about just beating this car as much as we can and taking as much abuse to it as possible. And I think it can perform very, very well. So without further ado, I'm not gonna waste a lot of time. Let's just go ahead and jump on the road and let's have some fun. All right, guys, so we're not wasting any time at all. Everything's secure. We should be good to go. We're gonna jump on here now. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh golly, this sucker pulls. There's so much torque in this car. I keep forgetting. God, that exhaust. Oh my God. Do you see those bikes? Oh man, so the reason we're really jumping on this and not doing like a long intro and talking about the car is because, well, it's a Saturday. And which means there's a lot of cars, a lot of bikes on the road. Whew. All right, first time ever really dogging this car, so I am going to take it somewhat safe, but at the same time, I really want to see what it can do. Man, there's so many cars on this road. All right, keep pushing. Here we go. This is technically the start of the course right here. So what I love about this car is that you don't have to use the paddle shifters. It's such a smart transmission, or a ZF transmission, whatever they call it, that it knows to hold the gear. Like right now, it's holding me on the high RPMs. So that means I'm not gonna wear my brakes out as fast. And I can really push this car. What I love about this car, but what I'm also afraid of, is the fact that it's so comfortable that you just, 100 miles an hour does not feel like it's 100 in this car. And that's a scary thing, because if you're not paying attention and you really throw this thing, around the corner and then launch it and don't have time or enough time to react or slow down, I mean, you could be in the mountains for sure. Golly, man. Dude, the brakes are actually holding very well. I'll be honest, I was very worried about being understeering because of the weight of the car. I mean, you're talking 4,500 pounds, but these brakes are holding, these tires are holding. Wow, this thing is performing way above my expectations, I'll be honest. Golly. Now, I am still playing a little bit safe on corners, but the thing is, I can really throw it outside of a corner. Oh, go, 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 go. Wow. That torque just wants to launch you out of it. That exhaust sounds amazing. I mean, okay. Woo! Did you hear that? My front left tire was actually scraping against the fender. Wow, that corner really hit hard. This is unbelievable. Guys, I am beyond impressed right now. I never for a second would have thought a four-door sedan weighing 4,500 pounds would be able to do what it's doing. Oh, he just tapped this hood. That means there's a cop ahead. If there is a cop, he just saved us. Or it could be just that car in front of us. Wow. Oh my God, that bike is sideways. Dude, they are leaning into those corners. Yeah, I don't have the cojones to do that, man. Not on the bike. I've had 3 bikes, but I would never ever do that. Oh, that's a cop. That's a cop. See if he turns around or not. Woo! I came around that corner and there he is. Oh boy, he did slam his brakes, so I don't know if he's gonna come after me or not. I keep forgetting about that. That's one thing on weekends, is that they are always around. I didn't think they would be here this early, not 9 o'clock. Guys, this is unbelievable. Keep in mind, this is at 614 horsepower, 674 foot-pounds of torque. That is an insane amount of torque on this car. This thing is performing super well, like very, very well. It's unbelievable. I am so impressed right now. Oh, those bikes. Mind-boggling, man. Okay, I never thought I would give RS7 this much credit. I mean, look at that. Barely touched the brakes and I'm already getting like slammed to the steering wheel. And And these aren't even carbon ceramics or anything. Yes, they're big rotors, just like on the GTR, but believe it or not, these aren't getting soft on me like they were on the GTR. I'm not saying we're doing, you know, a G of force around corners and stuff, but we're definitely pushing this thing. We're maxing it out. And not for a second am I even doubting this car. Wow, what a run. What a freaking run. Now this part of the Dragon is like the third part that's left. And what sucks about this one, or what's dangerous about this one, is that even though it's not like very sharp turns, well, they are, but they're not as like short and sharp. So they're very windy, which means this is the ones that really wear out your brakes, because your car is under so much stress and it takes so far to loop around a turn that you got to stay on the brakes for longer. And that's what really kills them. Now, brake job on this car, you know, $3,000, $4,000, because you have to do rotors and everything. But I can see why. God, dude, this is crazy. This is legitimately crazy. The sounds it makes too, man. Like this is straight a supercar, guys. Literally, I got everybody looking. The GTR wasn't even getting this many looks. Oh, I love twisty roads. Here we go. Boom. Come around the corner, a little brake, mash into it. Wow, guys, this is unfreaking believable. Oh, a CA Corvette. Blacked out CA Corvette chasing the Miata. The things you get to see out here, man, I'm telling you. I would love to chase a car. Alright guys, so we just got done and I can smell these brakes so badly. Like, look at all this, guys. This is straight brakes, man. That's all it is. It's coated my whole wheel. Unbelievable. We pushed it to that limit. Okay, we definitely just used up our brakes. I kid you not. Don't tell my wife. That is horrible. I've never seen them just rub off like that. Literally coming off in just chunks and pieces. I want to see if it's been rubbing though. Yeah, you can feel a little bit of rubber out here. I don't know if you can see it or not, guys. But yeah, we've definitely been rubbing on the tires. We have maxed out this car and I freaking love it. And it did its job. It did exactly what it's supposed to do. But guys, this 4.0 twin turbo V8 is unfreaking believable. The amount of torque this car has. There's a reason that Bentley uses in their Continental GT3 this motor. They literally swapped out a V12 twin turbo motor for this one, for performance, because they know what it can handle and what it can do. It's unbelievable. Same with the Lamborghini Urus, same exact motors in this one, but they've been using this 4.0 twin turbo V8 in the RS7 since 2014. So for the last 6 years, this motor has been out, but they've been testing it on this car and clearly it's performing insanely well. So I can't wait to push it. Dude, I can't even talk right now. My hands are shaking. I got goosebumps all over me. I'm a little worried about the brake dust. We'll definitely first off have to wash that off because you don't want that sitting on there. But look at this beautiful view, guys. I mean, this is technically like the end of the Dragon, so there's a beautiful lake here. If I'm not mistaken, whenever they built the dam up the river, there was actually a village somewhere out here that got flooded. Like, they literally just flooded the village. I mean, of course they evacuated everybody, but they made everyone move, so that's pretty cool. There's a lot to explore out here. It's called Deal's Gap, guys, or Tail of the Dragon. Definitely check it out. I don't care what car you're driving. It's amazing. It really is amazing. But let's hop in and go. The thing is, this road now is going to be all downhill, which makes it even more dangerous, especially with my brakes being like that, because I don't want to warp the rotors, because those alone are like $1,500 a pop. So yeah, this alrighty, Miatas, jeez, freaking hauling little go-karts, man. It's scary when you see that come around the corner. It's probably even more scarier seeing this thing come around the corner. corner, pull through, go. Whoo, she wants to go. Look at that, 5,000 RPMs. It just won't shift. It's sticking there. And it's like, please push on me. Push that pedal. Thank you, buddy. I didn't mean to scare you. I kind of scared myself, I'll promise. Oh, God. Let's go. Let's chase the bike. That's probably a dumb thing to say, because I don't think I can. All right, go. Woo! Oh, wow, I'm getting chased by bikes now. Are you kidding me? That's not fair, man. That's not fair. They're chasing me. Where'd they come from? I'm stuck. Dude, I would legit give those guys a run, man. If I just had opening in front of me, I promise you. I think they came after me because they were sitting at that overlook, and as soon as I passed, they were all staring. So I feel like they definitely want to run me, but I just can't, man. I wish I had the GTR too. That would have been fun. Yeah, I'm gonna pull over. I'll let them pass. I mean, there's nothing I could do though, you know what I mean? Oh, he got them all. He got them all. Oh, that's the guy. He just stared at me. Oh boy, he knows me. That's the guys that passed us, all those motorcycles. Yep, he stopped them all. Wow. I don't know if he chased them or what, but dang, that sucks. Okay. Oh man. Well, it is what it is. I don't think it's worth us coming up there again, honestly. Not trying to get myself in trouble.
I'm just gonna break it in properly, but man, it just runs so good.
Unbelievable.
I can open the hatch and stuff for it if you want.
Yeah, if you don't mind, that's awesome, man. Black on black is beautiful. You said 3 days, huh?
Yeah,
that's awesome.
I got it Wednesday.
Golly, Michelin's and everything.
Yep.
Wow, that's a beauty. Jesus. Holy crap. That's a little heated in there, huh?
You know,
look at that. Bose interior premium sound system.
Yeah, I feel like you're gonna...
That black on black is beautiful. White stitching. Oh, I've always wanted to see the buttons. Look at that. Jesus, man. Golly. That is just a mean front end, man. I've never really seen one in person. I've seen that at the car show, but this looks so much better than that red, honestly. That pops so hard. Wow. To our next destination, we have to go back through the Dragon, so that works out pretty well, actually. Woo, buddy. Turn, 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 turn. Please turn. All right, back in dynamic mode. I know that cop is there, so we're not gonna push our luck too much. But at least we know we gotta go through the Dragon again. It would have sucked if I went the wrong way, but now we get another run at it. A little bit slower than the previous one, of course. This one is gonna be more sound than anything, but at least we get a little run in. All right, turn. I was thinking to put it in manual mode, but honestly, oh, NSX, oh, fanboy like crazy. That was sick. 2 NSXs, that's pretty awesome. Where's that third one then? The third red one we've seen. There's a few NSXs out here. Now where's all the RS7s? Or the GTRs? There's a cop right there. There he is. Nope, everybody drive slow, drive slow, drive slow. We are totally cruising. He's in the new spot now. Is he in there or no? Where's he at? We're gonna get around him where we're out of his side of vision. Then we're gonna dog this thing. And go. Let's go, go, go. Oh yeah, we're losing that bike. We're losing the bike, boys. Boy. Oh God, he almost ran him over. Oh, that bike is going for it. Okay, okay, okay. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Keep up with an R7. Oh, I'm gonna need new brakes. Oh, I'm gonna need new brakes. Sorry, we'll trade it before it's time for that. Woo, okay, okay. That was a little too much. Oh yeah, wow. That front end bites like a mother. Jeez. God, you can hear the turbos on the blow-off valve. You don't even need music in this car. Just listen to the sound of the pure horsepower. Them horses are running. That exhaust is popping. Them brakes are so mad at me. This is how you like push yourself. This is how you grow as a driver. You know, this is how you learn how to drive it. What car handles which way, which one oversteers, which one understeers. What's the perfect combination of braking and turning? I mean, every car has its own different balance. It's unbelievable, but this thing is so well-rounded. It really, really is. I am so freaking impressed right now. Have I said that yet? I think I said that already. Ah, he pulled over. I was hoping they all would. Oh, they're pushing it. Oh my God. Harley's getting sideways? Dude, they are leaning into those cars. Oh, be careful, bro. I am not trying to push you, man. Oh my God, his exhaust is touching the ground. Look, they've been doing this before me, guys. Don't think I'm pushing them. Oh my goodness, guys, please be careful. I don't want to be on camera seeing you guys wreck, man. Careful, careful. Oh my God, you can see it scraping. There's sparks flying from him going sideways. Who would have thought you could take a Harley or whatever those are? I mean, those are the big bikes. That's not even a sports bike. That's insane. Okay, okay. Well, now, I don't know how, but now he just made me feel like I'm not going fast. It's like, oh, cool, you can do that in the car. That's great. Let me show you what I do. Wow, man. Okay, so this can't be his first radio. He has had to have done this before. And just like that, guys, the Tell the Dragon run is over. This thing killed it, man. I am so freaking impressed. I never gave it this much credit. I knew it was fast. I knew about the motor. I had no idea about the handling. This thing is breaking all the rules I ever had or anything I ever thought of the German cars. I mean, honestly, I'm just being completely honest with you guys. Super blown away. Brakes behaved just like they should. It handled like it should. It put out the power like it should. The only time I really started hearing the brakes was actually on the last one when we were finishing up. That's the only time I really started squeaking, which is normal for that car anyways. That means they're heated up. But I mean, it's unbelievable. And the looks it's getting, man, honestly. There's a reason I'm getting more work done on it, because I know it's got freaking potential. A ton of it too. So you're going to be surprised, but I promise you guys, if you're going to watch this video, hold me to my word. But we're going to get this car to run 9 seconds in the quarter mile. I mean, that is the game plan. That is the goal. This thing is going on slicks. We're trying to find custom wheels right now that we could put this thing on. It's kind of hard to find them, but we're going to make it happen, guys. And this thing is definitely sticking in the channel for a long time. It's unbelievable. It really blows me away. The comfort of it. I mean, it's just so much more comfortable than the GTR. Now, I know there's a lot of you guys that watch my channel but don't subscribe, so just drop a subscription, and I promise you, you can always unsubscribe later, but you'll love what you're going to see. And if you don't, like I said, that's no big deal. But enjoy your lives, guys. Enjoy your cars. Enjoy the beautiful areas where you live at, and I will see you next time. Peace.